Hey, skincare lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down one of the most important topics in skincare, morning versus night routines. Ever wondered why we use different products for day and night? Stick around because I'm going to explain the differences, why they matter, and how to get the most out of both routines. Let's start with the basics. Your skin's needs change throughout the day, so your routine should too. The morning routine is all about protection and preparation, while the night routine focuses on repair and rejuvenation. Cleanser. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove any oils or impurities that accumulated overnight. Toner. Follow up with a toner to balance your skin's pH and prep it for the next steps. Serum. A vitamin C serum is your best friend in the morning. It helps brighten your skin and provides antioxidant protection. Moisturizer. Lock in hydration with a lightweight moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Sunscreen. This is the most crucial step. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays and prevents premature aging. Make sure to use a broad-spectrum SPF. Sunscreen is non-negotiable, even if it's cloudy or you're indoors. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now, let's talk about the night routine. At night, your skin goes into repair mode, so this is the time to focus on hydration, nourishment, and targeted treatments. Here's what you'll need. Cleanser. Start with a double cleanse. Use an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and sunscreen, followed by a water-based cleanser to clean your skin. Toner. Just like in the morning, use a toner to keep your skin balanced. Serum. This is where you can really customize your routine, whether it's a hyaluronic acid for hydration, a retinol for anti-aging, or a treatment for acne. The night is the perfect time to apply these powerful ingredients. Eye cream. Gently apply an eye cream to keep the delicate skin around your eyes hydrated and smooth. Moisturizer. Use a richer, more nourishing moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated overnight. Optional. Overnight mask or oil. For an extra boost, you can apply an overnight mask or face oil to wake up with glowing, plump skin. The night routine is all about giving your skin the love and care it deserves after a long day. It's your time to unwind and let those active ingredients work their magic while you sleep. So, there you have it. The key differences between your morning and night skincare routines. Both are essential, but they serve different purposes. Protect and prepare in the morning. Repair and rejuvenate at night. Which routine is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, keep glowing day and night.